fucking has bullet hole in it, so I can't
I got both my legs are broken.
Who's this guy? That was a player! There was a player extracting with us! He's fucking dead right there!
Oh my god!
He said, please no! Please no! He shook his head at me!
Oh my god, that's fucking fantastic. No, Liz, you wouldn't understand.
He said, please no!
Bruh, I was like, what do you mean?
He said, please no! He was like, no!
Please tell me you have 10 that, bro.